Hey y'all, let's do a leg wax, a half leg wax from the knee down using Sexy Smooth Cherry Desire. So since this wax works so good on the underarms, I decided to do it on the legs. I am, however, a soft wax girly when it comes to legs, but I'm definitely making that switch as we speak. When using hard wax on the legs, you want to make sure you pick up enough wax to cover the area you are trying to wax. And even though I did a strip prior to this, look at all the hairs that the wax ended up getting up. Like, you cannot beat that. And not only that, remember that waxing is a form of exfoliation, so you can actually see where her skin was actually being exfoliated into waxing. So I'm going to go ahead and lay another strip down, and remember the temperature of the room, the temperature of your wax, and then the temperature of the client does all play a big part in waxing and removing your strips. So with that being said, literally the moment I apply the wax, it's drying, so I'm taking it off. I'm not letting it sit too long because sitting and drying does cause breakage. So this wax is on sale right now at sexysmoothwax.com. I'm going to try to put it down in the comment section below. It is originally, it's on sale for $12.50, but you can get an additional 20% off. An additional 20% off if you use code Toni. I'm going to put it on the screen. Code Toni. If you use code Toni, you will get an additional 20% off, making each bag of wax $10. Now, y'all see the disaster I went through a couple of weeks ago when I ain't had no wax? So $10 every bag of wax, you can't beat that. Go ahead and get y'all some.